Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uba polling doa umentri katnat social welfare mentagasi Plie ya ke Good Samaritan counseling center kabadan Khlieh Iewduh Shillong. Hagane kasi laidan langru u principal secretary katnat social welfare u Dr. Sampat Kumar u superintendent of police ka ANTF u Giri Prasad u vice chairman ka Good Samaritan society counseling center u DS Nongrum ka Director and Joint Secretary katanat Social Welfare ka Camelia Dorin nalor kiwe de. Kani ka Good Samaritan Counseling Center kadai ka jaka sumar ka jaka panlong duai bat ka jaka ai counseling ya ki Kyrni di Drok kabala karshan dakatanat Social Welfare ka Sarkar Jilla Meghalaya. Haba ay jingkran ha kani ka jingelang uba polling do ulaong bakani ka center kalong kabarit Henry Kikam bat ka jingshakri kaban ay kanlong kawayar habaro kaway kajila. Uloong baka counseling center kidon kam banya trailang bat kidor barshnong omtang banya kun persya Iewduh Henry Wanwanra ya kijing ay jing hikay pentibet ikisamla Kyrni Iewduh kenang bakinum let Plie show hakalinti Iewduh.
Paul Linggo, Minister of Social Welfare Department. He don't know Khadru, but he is Sampat Kumar belong the Principal Secretary of Social Welfare Department. Madam C.D. Lingwa, he belong Director, but he Joint Secretary of Social Welfare Department. Ye one, but ye lumlang hangi ha ka Bynta, Bynta ka jingha, jonkani ka habangila ban ye Plie ye kini ka Center ka Good Samaritan Society Counseling Center. The show bangin ye Plie ye kini ni khod ye pastor WC Mongol ben Boshai ay ka jingboy.
Plie lingwa kani ka po dan meet kapamalapan po lang yang ibaro i staff yung ka Social Welfare Department iparasnong parathaw na kinigitang bakham kerpang na kumtaw sakri yung mi bapol baginyo pan Plie ban stang ya kani ka Good Samaritan Counseling Center hagani ka jaka kapadon kam banyo ikajingara ni aymoy me aplay ba me pau me train Nepedi ke jiran kat ke jong me lengba ki babun di Bynta. Aki imlang ke sarang ke jongi. Ya ko bangila ko kunrat ban punba banite ban punlong ke jai penri ki jong.
Together, and the fact that this room is tiny in size but huge in its outreach and purpose, that should be something that gives us a sense of fulfillment. That so many of us who are in the government today have moved from file to field. That's a very important move. Most of the time, as we occupy our secretariat and various directorates, those offices remain just ivory towers if we do not move, as I said, from file to field. Today we are in this field, in a hotspot of narcotics and other menaces that afflict society. I'm struck by the fact that when we are here to inaugurate this counseling center, which you have named as Good Samaritan Society Counseling Center. First, what struck me is that our cabinet is led by a team under the leadership of Mr. Conrad K. And the definition of the name Conrad means brave counsel or bold advisor. Very appropriate name. And also, when you speak of the Good Samaritan, when you go back to biblical times, the Good Samaritan was somebody who was seen as an enemy, as somebody who is an outsider for the Jews. But when a Jewish man was beaten almost to death, who went ahead? There was a priest who looked at the injured person, but thought to himself, I have a very busy day, so let me move on. He was followed by another Levite. He also looked at the injured person and thought, why should I touch him? I'm too important. But the third person who came by was a Samaritan, whom the Jews tend to dislike. And it was he who tended, who cared, supported, even paid for the treatment of the injured Jewish man. I think there is a lot of meaning in that. I need not explain it, especially in the presence of Pastor Willie. All I can say is that the message itself is self-evident. It speaks, it answers to the question which that particular lawyer had placed before Christ, saying, who is your neighbor? And Christ answered with the parable of the Good Samaritan. So I think it's a very meaningful meeting for all of us as we move ahead in our crusade to free society from the menace of drugs. Ba ruji minay dang ong ba paling miatray ko before COVID yatray lang ba kita rushnon. Jaga ba pipi ong ngi ngada kan penya long kam lupa. Maulawi tahun dorpar geladan menta. Amdi tak counseling center bagi livelihood. Kay I training dulu iki samla. Agar livelihood. Kenapa kita melihat high yang share drugs. Mr. Giri Prasad who is here. People generally do not acknowledge this, but in a span of 1 year, the state police through the ANTF has seized drugs worth more than 400 crores. It's not a small achievement. They have been active. This Iewduh area has never been covered by the ANTF in the past. Today they have made their presence felt, even here. So we believe in action, in being proactive and translating our ideals into activities, into visible course of action. Daripada aku Khlieh, yang kena kekenuan, ke Jonghi, Pak Huji. For all of you who might not know this, today I handed a small token of support to Pak Hoji. But in the 1990s, we occupied and bought a plot of land from Pak Kaji to set up the KSU office. So it's the second check that he has received from me in the last The first was in the 90s, today is the second time. So our relationship goes that long. From the 90s till now 2025. Pastor kumwer dalam ni ngindon kam ya kejing ketu kenham dompi ya kat kibawan hanya dekat kamera. Kasuk shibun bagin penrem bagin keno bagin kentat Henry ka kham shidong bagin keduk min seneng min peti bat ngin penpai biang ya ki min siam ki paladu syakal di jong ke kamen dengan kata ada ke kuar ke ba dan menyesal dari jopi. So Giri, please continue your hard work. I've always said this, that we have a very efficient police department, and across the country, Meghalaya Police is the only police that could tackle insurgency on its own. We did not have to call in the army. Likewise, we have full faith that we will be able to fully eradicate the menace of drugs from our midst through your proactive action. Let's continue to work as a team, see each other as teammates, and always stay focused on our goal. May God bless our initiative. Our bim kuya baro na pi kiwidan bentalang hakabagile ay na benta kailang sala. It is always easier to lift just one finger to point. Takes less time, but it takes more time to lift two hands and reach out to others. But it is a more worthy practice than just one single finger that says he is to live and she is to live. Please good. Thank you. God bless.
Jadi reach out center kita Kiba initiative juga department sendiri social media bagi ayo jadi dekat kun jom jadi orang bak bajudan ke experience ki counselors lani inong yelam ai jemut ai musim juga dalam crowd lagi sama kini lagi nampak jenyelam juga uji shooting room pastor kumil berkali-kali Kiba Islam dalam experience nak kelar yang good nak sama nak lebih coba Kyrni dalam Droks sekian ada reform bila di jingwan kejum na university ban Plie ya kini ke counseling center kalau ba hangni Iewduh dengan ke Khlieh bahwa jurha ke Kyrni jom mat jingwun yang Kyrni ya ini ke Droks kini ke center kalau irawan baik deh jom kini ke kem ba gin kena ba ginla ba target ya real Kiba ni ba high participation in normal life.
Kapol kedua ke सरकार तैयार bisa kumiknik untuk berkelanjutan.
Kini ke center bagi tentang presentasi ni Iraq kalau mereka way YY dan bentar ini building Drok di Barcelona ni dah tunggu yang up jom ini ke center bagi lah minta appointment letter buat tunjuk di tim kesalu yang di counselor dan di incentive menyerap nak bersyukur buat kat bagi dang expand dalam joki kita ngil minang lawan irap Hima.
Sekarang tadi Pak Puan pun gini di Jai Center ke serkar ketemu ban Plie.
Inang ya pati hulu bagi yo tam ki nakli ki dorosong iron disong ki ba terba diksan takaba ki ai ki community hall ki jongki si kamera itu prioritize but jaka ba ni ku ba dan kajing dawa coba kam ni kan ai priority